Okay, so warm up, rank fastest to slowest functions. So you got these 5 functions. The top one here is f of x equal x squared. So if you do plug in, so you got these inputs that I have already ready to go here. X equal to 1, plug it into each function, and then get an output. And then x equals 100, get an output. So you'll know which one grows the fastest. Okay. So let's plug in x is 1. If we do plug in x is 1, what is 1 squared? 1 times 1 is 1. So this one is going to be 1. We can quickly just do this. If you plug in x is 1 into x to the 10th power, if you plug in 1, what's 1 to the 10th power? 1 times 1 times 1, it's going to be 1. So it's 1. So on is this is 1. The square root of 1. What's the square root of 1? Square root of 1 is 1. What's ln 1? What's ln 1? What's ln of 1? Put it in the calculator. That's what you guys have calculators. If you don't know, just what's ln of 1? What? 0. E to the 1. What's e to the 1? Let's see. What's pi? How about pi? What's pi? 3.141. So no. So e to the 1, or just e, is an actual number. It's approximately 2.7. 2.7 something. All right, 2.7. It goes on forever too. Okay, now we're gonna plug in x equals 100. So if we plug in into each one of them x equals 100, so this will be 100 squared. What's 100 squared? What's 100 times 100? If you had $100 $100 bills, how much money would you have? Did you understand? You know what I said? I said if you have $100 bills, you have how much money? 10,000. 10,000. Yeah, 10,000. 100 to the 10th power. Well, what does that mean? 100 to the 10th power? 100 times 100 times 100 times 100 times 100 times all the way to 10 times. And how much is that? A really big number. 10 to the 20. Which is big. What's the square root of 100? What's the square root of 100? 10. Ln of 100. What's ln of 100? Put it in the calculator. What's ln of 100? Louder. That's still louder. 4.605. That's low. Oh, that's not even growing at all. E to the 2x is 100. No, x is 100. E to the 100. Oh, what's e to the 100? Okay. E to the 100. Some number that the calculator, some weird stuff, it does exponential. And I have it as that. 2.69 or 2.7. If I'm 2.69 times 10 to the 43rd power. Which one is the fastest? We're going to go, which is the fastest? Exponential, isn't it? Very last one, yes? The very last one is the fastest. Exponential is the fastest function. After an exponential, the next fastest growing is going to be which one? X to the 10th, a polynomial function. Then which one is after that? Which one is after that? Which one is the next fastest? The quadratic? Is it the quadratic? The quadratic. And then there's a battle of which one is the slowest here growing. Square root x is slow, that's number 4. And the natural log or the log function is the slowest. So now it kind of gives you an idea. Those are two inverse functions. Exponential is the fastest, and its inverse is the slowest, the log. Yes or no? And everything in between is whatever. The square root is kind of slow there. Okay? That is important to understand for today's lesson.